Hey everyone, welcome back to the Ask David Bulluck Show. I'm David Bulluck. I sincerely hope that all of you are enjoying these videos. My goal is to help as many people as I can. I hope that I'm answering the questions that you have or things that you've thought about but weren't really sure who to ask or how you would get the answers. So I hope these videos are helpful to you. And today we're going to create a couple different videos on one topic. And the one topic is going to be you're injured in an accident and how do you get your medical bills paid? Does your health insurance pay for that? Or what if you don't have health insurance but you need to go to a doctor for your injuries? Who's responsible and who pays for that, and how does the payment happen? So in this video we're going to answer that first question, which is if you're involved in an accident, you're injured, you have health insurance, does your health insurance pay for the bills and how does that work? This is the Ask David Bulluck Show. So to answer the question as to if you're involved in an accident, you're injured, you need medical care, you do have health insurance, I think you're in a fortunate situation if you do have health insurance. Because if you are in an accident, we're going to look to the at-fault driver, or if it's not an auto accident, if it's some type of premise liability or something else, whoever the at-fault party is, we're going to look to their liability insurance company to obviously pay for whatever your medical bills and your future medical care, and there's other components of damages, but we're restricting this one to medical bills, to the responsibility to pay for those. Now, if you do have health insurance, here's how health insurance works. When you have health insurance, they are there to help pay for, obviously, your health and your medical care should you need them. If you go for a wellness visit, or if you go for any type of sickness, if you go to your primary care doctor, they'll pay for that and you might have a copay. But in the context of a personal injury setting where we're suing for negligence, if you have health insurance and in treatment for your injuries related to the accident and your health insurance pays for that, what your health insurance will do is they'll say, we're fine paying for your medical bills as long as the doctors that you're seeing, as long as they're within your treatment plan and it's a covered procedure, your health insurance will pay for it. However, what they'll do is they'll put a lien on any settlement proceeds that you may recover, because your health insurance will say, we don't want you to make a double recovery. In other words, we're not going to pay for your medical bills, and then you go then use those medical bills and get a personal injury settlement. For whatever your insurance company has paid related to medical care for injuries related to the accident, then they're going to be asked that they're going to be reimbursed or paid back for whatever the amount of treatment related only to injuries. So that's how health insurance works. You can use it, but if you do make a recovery, they're going to be asked to be reimbursed for whatever they had to pay for that treatment. Now that's only for past medical bills. That does not apply to future medical bills. And by talking about this, I got to give the caveat that this is only for private health insurance, that for the future medical bills, that does not apply to Medicare. That's a whole separate side, and we'll do a different video on that later on, but this is for private health insurance. So I hope that if you did have those questions, if you have been injured, you know that you can use your health insurance. Your health insurance will pay for those medical bills, but if you do make a recovery, then from that recovery, your health insurance will likely ask to be reimbursed for whatever they had to pay for treatment related to injuries from the accident. So keep watching the Ask David Bulluck Show. Let me know what you think of this video, and I look forward to hearing from you guys. Take care.